I'm gonna show you how to fix this Netflix problem. Say for instance, you try to log on and watch a movie, it says this here on the screen. Too many people are using your account right now. To continue to upgrade your plan or stop playing on one of these screens. So it tells you what screens are playing on movies. Say for instance, you gave your son or daughter your password, and maybe they decided to let their friends use it, and their friends decided to let their friends use it, and so forth. So I'm gonna show you how to fix this problem. Here go what you do. First, log on to your Netflix account, and you could pick one of the profiles that you got listed here. I'm gonna pick this profile, and then what you want to do is go in the top right hand corner and you go to account. Once you click on account, you want to go down until you see recent device screening activity. Click on that and you can see who's on what, so forth. You see we got a lot of people on these Netflix. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna hit done right here, and then I'm gonna scroll down to the bottom until I find log out. I'm gonna put sign out on all devices. I click on that, and once you sign out on all devices, it takes about 8 hours or so, and then you log back in. Once you sign out, you can log back in and you change the passcode. So when they try to use it again, it'll say the passcode is wrong. So that's how you fix that problem. All right, thanks for watching, and subscribe to my channel, and have a great day.